If your Notion template that you spent hours building it are just sitting on your website collecting digital dust, this video is going to change that. I've made over 7,300 Notion template sales, but my first template that I launched, it took me 3 months to make one $8 sale. I'm going to give you the 5 marketing strategies that actually move the needle so you can get your Notion templates finally selling consistently. And it's the fastest path to consistent sales without a big following. Even if you have zero audience and you absolutely hate marketing, these strategies work because I've tested with over 200 students inside the Passive Income Academy, and they got results across a lot of different niches. To be able to make a decent income from Notion templates, you need to nail these 2 things. The first one is to have an amazing product, something that actually solves a problem for a specific person. And number 2, you need to build your audience and market. So what happens in most of Notion creators, they don't do any of those. Most Notion sellers that come to me for help, I analyze what they are working on, and in 90% of cases, they are spending 90% of their time building the template, improving the template, and 10% of the time, or 0 sometimes, doing the marketing. The truth is, even the most beautifully designed template in the world stays invisible if no one knows it exists. And I know exactly how this feels because I've been there myself. I put my templates there. I put so much work into it, especially because I was working full time. And when I was about to give up, I was in Amsterdam walking in the tulip fields when I got my first sale notification and my first 5-star review. But the first time that I actually got some real momentum was when I started publishing on TikTok, and one of my videos went viral and hit nearly 2 million views. And that was the first time that I made over 100 sales in one day. And all that while I was at work. And it was still the same template. The only thing that changed was the marketing. I stopped focusing on building new templates, and instead I focused on getting them seen. And since then, we have over 7,000 sales. And today I'm going to give it to you, this exact system that made this possible. Before we get into the actual strategies, we need to check and run through a checklist to make sure your template is actually sellable, because no amount of marketing is going to save a product that no one wants. If you try to sell a template on how to tie your shoes, it doesn't matter how many videos you publish about that, no one is interested on that, no one's going to buy that. The first thing, you need to validate demand, and I'm going to show you in a minute how you can validate that with real data. Second, your template needs to have a clear transformation that the buyer gets. No one wants to buy a template. People are going to buy if solves a specific problem for them. Number 3, you need to have professional preview images because it's a digital product. The first thing that they see is the image. So if you are having like crappy images that don't look very professional, that they can't really see the template, they can't really see what it does, people are just not going to buy. And last but not less important is to have something that is different and better than what's already out there. Because if you are just copying someone else and expecting it to go viral like they are doing it, that's not going to work. As I said, in this checklist, the most important thing is to have demand. So how do you actually find if your product has demand or not? If the tool that I use for that is Everbee Market Research, because you can actually see if people are buying it. And there is nothing better to validate demand than money. If people are paying for it, it's because they want it. If you go to Everbee Market Research, you can analyze any digital product that you are thinking about selling. You can analyze how many people are buying it. You can analyze trends, how much they are selling. And because Etsy uses an algorithm based on keywords, you can also see the keywords those successful shops are using it, so you can use them on your shop and in your content. Let's start with strategy number 1, which is faceless reels and tutorials. We're starting here because this is the one that has the lowest barrier of entry. So if you are shy, or if you are very like an introvert person, you don't want to show your face and you just want to test things out before you go all in, this is the strategy to go for. But the first time that I actually got some real momentum was when I started publishing on TikTok, and one of my videos went viral and hit nearly 2 million views. And that was the first time that I made over 100 sales in one day. Pick specific features that you have in your template and demonstrate how to use it, how to customize it, what it can actually do for people, how it can improve their lives. You can show how you use it, and you don't need to show your face because you're going to be showing the template, you're going to be showing what it does, how to customize it, how to tweak it, how to personalize it for them. An easy and very effective framework to follow when you are creating content like this is to show the wrong way to use it and the best way to use it. So for example, let's say you are building a database. So you can show, don't build a database like that. So it will grab people's attention to watch the video. And also it creates curiosity about what is the right way, what's the better way. Strategy number 2 is where I see the biggest spikes across all my students when they start from zero. It's like the fastest way to get more views, to get clients, even if you are starting from zero. Strategy number 2 is all about TikTok. This is a platform that helped me to get real momentum in my Notion business. But because this is fast content, the first seconds of your video matter the most. So if you start your video like,
hey, my name is Leticia, and today I want to talk about my Notion template that I spent 3 months.
No one is going to listen to that. So you need to be quick, straight to the point. You can start with a conflict, with a problem, with something that went wrong. In my experience, the videos that performed the best were more contrarian opinions. For example, I had a video that went viral because I was sharing about why selling Notion templates on Etsy, it's not worth it anymore. And a lot of people also have their own opinions. So a lot of people commenting, oh, Etsy is still good, Etsy is not good. So everyone's like putting in the comments, and the engagement also helps the video to go viral as well. And the best thing about TikTok is that it doesn't matter if you only have 20 followers. If the video is good, it's gonna reach the right people. And if they watch it until the end, if they like the video, if they comment, and this is a strategy that you can absolutely do it faceless as well. That's how I started, and I was still able to make sales even without showing my face. Then we come to strategy number 3 that I mentioned in the beginning, that most Notion sellers never even try it, which is using a freebie strategy. This is where you're going to give away a piece of your paid Notion template. So let's say you have a Notion template for business owners, and one problem that they have is that maybe they don't have a branding book. You could create a lead magnet like that, and you don't even need to create because you already have that in your paid template. So you basically duplicate that page, turn into a freebie, promote that for free, and that's going to build up that trust. People are going to get to know you. They will become aware that you have a premium version of that template. That starts breaking that wall and creating a bridge for people to get from just met you online and moving toward your paid digital product. Solve one micro problem that they have, and that's what's going to build the trust. So forget about just creating random checklists or random like pages that you can find it for free. Focus on the problem that your ideal customer has and solve that with a Notion template. And that's going to build trust. It's going to build your email list, and it's going to help you sell more Notion templates, not just now, but all the way down the line. And here's some homework for you. You're going to identify one template that you could give it away right now, and that would be a great lead magnet for people to eventually buy your paid Notion template. Strategy number 4 is a shortcut for those that don't have an audience yet, or they have a very small audience, which is collaborations. This is where you're going to find creators that have audiences that would benefit from your templates. If your templates actually solve their problem, you can reach out and do a newsletter swap, or you can offer to host a live training on their community, or it can be something easy and simple, but that's just the easiest way to get in front of more people. Quick exercise for you, just put it on your notes, 5 creators that you would love to collaborate with. And this can be on your list. It doesn't mean that you need to do it now, just put it on your list. And if they are too big, that also serves as a motivation for you to grow and become better at your craft. So those people actually want to work with you. Strategy number 5 is the one that keeps selling long after you post it, which is long form YouTube videos. One of my students of the Passive Income Academy started her channel after I launched my new YouTube course for digital creators, and she applied the whole framework that I teach there, and she started getting sales just after publishing 4 videos. So she has less than 100 subscribers and she already started making sales. And the most surprising thing is that the video that was actually bringing sales, it was a video that wasn't even optimized for YouTube. She filmed on her phone and she filmed on a vertical task in vertical. So she used like a phone this way and the sides were all black, and she was basically going through the entire product. Quick exercise for you: write one YouTube idea that you could film using your template. I shared with you 5 different strategies, so you can pick the one that fits your zone of genius, that fits what excites you the most, but you don't have to do all of them. You only need to pick one, and that's what I recommend. Go back to the video, pick only one strategy to focus on for the next 90 days, and build this system to sell your Notion templates. And if you still don't have a place to host all your Notion templates and sell them, I have 2 videos that you can watch. One is using PayHIP, which is a free software that you can launch your digital products, and the other one is Go High Level, which is an all-in-one CRM if you are more advanced. So I'll leave those videos for you so you can watch next, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!